Wyatt, are you sure you want to eat the Pop Rocks? Okay. Stick your finger in your mouth. Get your finger like... No. Here. Here, watch. You go like this. Go like this. Look at Aunt Jack. Go like this. Go. No, wait. You gotta stick it in your mouth first. Stick your finger. Okay, and then stick your finger in there. And get a piece of candy. You got it? Okay. Is it popping? Do you like it? Let me hear. Can I hear it?